Introducing the Classic Army 870 Breacher Spring Shotgun. Full metal construction and a compact size means it's the perfect backup weapon to strap to the back of your rig. It shoots 400 FPS straight out of the box, and it accepts standard AEG springs, meaning you can switch between field and CQB setups on the fly. Its attachable magazines carry 10 rounds apiece and offer you better options for carrying more ammo over traditional shotgun shot shells. Available through your local licensed Classic Army dealer. Introducing the Classic Army Nemesis ME14 M-LOK Elite Carbine AEG. Whether you are a raw beginner or a seasoned veteran, the Classic Army Nemesis series of AEGs was designed to give players the ultimate tool to take down the opponent. The Nemesis features a 6.03mm inner barrel and a programmable electronic control system, meaning you'll have both great out-of-the-box accuracy and fine control over your AEG's burst fire settings, affording you 3 or 5 round bursts and full auto when you need it. The Ford M-LOK style handguard is compatible with all standard M-LOK accessories and rail attachments, giving you unlimited options for customization. The addition of a mod stock to the rear buffer tube not only enhances aesthetic appearance, but offers additional storage space for small items or batteries as well. All Nemesis models are available through your local licensed Classic Army dealer. Introducing the Classic Army M24 LTR bolt-action spring sniper rifle. The M24 LTR is a high-performance bolt-action airsoft replica that features a high-quality nylon fiber stock and full metal trigger box and barrel assembly. Clocking in at roughly 400 feet per second, the M24 LTR is a fantastic marksman platform straight out of the box, and partial VSR-10 parts compatibility afford you the ability to upgrade the rifle to even higher standards of performance. Available from your local licensed Classic Army dealer. Introducing the Classic Army M6A2 M4 Carbine AEG Airsoft Gun. The M6A2 is a full metal 10-inch CQB powerhouse that features a 9-inch CNC machined free float rail system, adjustable mod stock, and ambidextrous sling attachment points that give you the customizability needed for close-up airsoft engagements. A quick change spring system, 9mm bearing gearbox, and 21:1 ratio gears ensure that this AEG delivers the ROF necessary for CQB and is LiPo ready straight out of the box. Available from your local licensed class. Introducing the Classic Army DT4 Double Barrel AEG. Get ready to unleash an absolute storm of plastic upon the competition with the world's first double-barreled AEG. Incredibly unique in both form and function, the DT4 gives you the ability to harness 2 magazines at once, providing accurate and brutal suppressing fire that's just as sure to turn heads as it is to keep them down. Utilizing a single gearbox with a split cylinder and 2 individually adjustable hop-up units ensures that both barrels are shooting consistently and accurately, maintaining the same trajectory and FPS even if one magazine runs dry or is removed from the gun. The DT4 is controlled by a single trigger system and an ambidextrous fire selector, and features the hyper-efficient Classic Army 2018 ECS programmable trigger system, affording an excellent trigger switch protection, snappy trigger response, and the ability to program the rifle to fire in 3 or 5 round bursts. Introducing the Classic Army Nemesis X9 AEG. The X9 is perfect for players who want a sleek, compact SMG for very tight, close quarters gameplay, while retaining all of the function, feel, and fire controls of the familiar AR-15 and M4 style platforms. An M-LOK handguard affords you the ability to mount any compatible accessories to the front of your X9 in virtually any configuration you can think of. Towards the back, you will see a 3-position PDW-style stock with a unique, spacious, and user-friendly battery compartment latch that makes swapping out batteries on the fly a total breeze. Internally, the X9 sports Classic Army's 2018 ECS programmable trigger unit, giving you the option to set your gun to 3 or 5 round bursts while providing protection for your trigger switch. Combined with the pre-installed flat trigger system, the ECS allows for blazing fast trigger response with negligible motor spin-up time, as every fraction of a second counts in CQB. To top it all off, the X9 is backwards compatible with all previous Classic Army Nemesis series AEG upper receivers, giving you the ability to swap out rail systems and barrel lengths quickly to suit any changes in environment or playstyle. Available for Introducing the Classic Army M132 Microgun. Featuring a lightweight, reinforced polymer design, the microgun weighs in at just 9 pounds unloaded, making it much more maneuverable than its larger minigun relative. An absolutely massive 2200 round internal magazine and a monstrous rate of fire of 38 rounds per second make this the ultimate suppression and saturation tool on the airsoft market today. Utilizing an 11.1 volt LiPo battery to rotate the barrels, and either an adjustable HPA rig or onboard green gas canister inserted directly into the microgun itself ensures that you've got options both in fine-tuning your microgun's performance and keeping it running all day. Introducing the Classic Army ISSC Mark 22 CQC Carbine. This gun is an officially licensed airsoft version of the real steel ISSC Mark 22 rifle and features a durable yet lightweight nylon fiber body and a folding stock, which is adjustable both in length and in cheek rest position, making it the perfect option for close quarters games and tight corners. A 300 round high cap magazine means you've got the ammo you need to get the job done, and the Mark 22 will accept most other M4 AEG mags on the market, meaning you can still share magazines with your squad. Available from your local licensed Classic Army dealer.